Dear viewers, today, I will share 3 natural ways to lighten facial hair. Number 1. Lemon juice. Lemon is rich in vitamin C, a nutrient widely used to treat pigmentation. It also is often used as an ingredient in cosmetic bleaching agents. Hence, it may help in lightening facial hair. Here is how to use lemon juice to lighten facial hair. Squeeze lemon juice into a small bowl. Dab a clean cotton ball with a teaspoon of the lemon juice. Apply it to your face. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing with water. Repeat this once every day. Caution: lemon juice extract can cause skin irritation. Do a patch test before trying this remedy. Number 2. Turmeric. Turmeric mixed with lemon juice can help in lightening facial hair. Lemon juice extract is rich in vitamin C that can aid in bleaching facial hair, while turmeric has been used for ages to remove superfluous hair. Here is how to use turmeric to lighten facial hair. Mix turmeric powder and lemon juice into a thick paste. Apply it all over your face with a cotton ball and leave it on for 15 minutes. Rinse your face thoroughly with water. Repeat 2 times in a week. Caution: the turmeric paste might leave a yellow tinge on your skin. Hence, don't leave it on for a long time. Also, wear old clothes to prevent staining. Number 3. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are great sources of vitamin C. Tomato paste mixed with lemon juice can aid in lightening facial hair. Here is how to use tomatoes to lighten facial hair. Make a paste of tomatoes. Mix this paste well with a teaspoon of lemon juice. Apply the mixture generously to the affected areas on your face. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing with cold water. You can try this remedy 1 to 2 times a week. Hope you did get some value out of our today's video. If you really did, hit subscribe button, press the bell icon in order to get regular updates from our channel.